Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to cancel an order on Wolt. First, open the Wolt app on your smartphone. On the home screen, tap on your profile icon at the bottom of the screen. From your profile menu, tap on Order History to see your current and past orders. Find the order you want to cancel and tap on it to view the details. Check the order status. If it says order received, you can usually cancel it. If it says preparing, cancellation might still be possible. If it says on the way, cancellation is no longer allowed. If your order is still eligible, tap Cancel Order. Confirm your choice and wait for the confirmation message. Refunds, if any, will be processed according to Wolt's refund policy, so it may take a few days depending on your payment method. And that's it. That's how to cancel an order on Wolt. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.